we are going to make some healthy breakfast muffins, more specifically blueberry and oatmeal. Hi, welcome to Cake Mom. I'm Abby, this is Emery, that's Aaliyah, and on this channel I share with you guys some of my favorite tips and techniques as well as recipes to help you with your home baking project. If you're new or haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to that channel and hit that notifications bell so that you can see when I post my next video. So, you know, we have kids and our kids have a hard time eating healthy. We are going to make some healthy breakfast muffins that they will absolutely love and eat a ton of. As always, the recipe will be in the description below, but here's everything you will need. Old Fashioned rolled oats, almond milk, unbleached all-purpose flour, almond flour, melted and cooled coconut oil, frozen blueberries or fresh blueberries, honey, lemon, egg, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Now, since we're using rolled oats, we kind of want to soften them a little bit before we bake them. So we're going to add the almond milk into the oats and let it soak for about 10 to 20 minutes until they're starting to puff up and look nice and squishy. You don't have to use almond milk. You can use any of your favorite dairy-free or even regular milk, but these muffins are actually dairy-free and cane sugar-free, so they're super duper healthy, so we used almond milk. So while the oats are soaking, we're gonna go ahead and combine the rest of our ingredients. Before we do that, we want to preheat the oven to 425 degrees. This might seem high, but because they're muffins, you want them to cook a little faster and they get that little caramelized on top, but it also means you have to keep a closer eye on them. We need to zest a lemon because lemon and blueberry are beautiful together. So I'm just gonna use the zest off this lemon. You can use the juice for something else. What I'm going to use to zest it is the small-ish, second to smallest side of a box grater. If you have a zester or a microplaner, you can use that, but I like seeing my lemon zest and having a little bit more texture, so I'm gonna use this one right here. Next, we're going to combine all the dry ingredients. So that means our flour, almond flour, and baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Oh, and the lemon zest. So now we're going to add the oats, which have soaked a little bit, and they're kind of squishy looking. The coconut oil, like I said, this was melted, but we did cool it to room temperature. Then go ahead and add the honey. You can use a different sweetener if you would like. If you're going to use sugar, add a little bit more than half a cup. So now we're going to add the egg, but we're going to beat it up a little bit first. So crack it into a bowl, Emery. Put it in there. So very last, you're going to add the blueberries. Because these were actually frozen blueberries, they have a tendency, the more you mix it into the batter, to turn the batter more and more purple. If you're using fresh blueberries, you don't have to worry about this, but because they're frozen, we're just going to barely fold them in, and then we'll scoop our muffins and bake them. So now we're going to bake these for approximately 10 to 20 or possibly 25 minutes, depending on your oven. What you're looking for is a toothpick inserted into the center to actually come out clean-ish. It's gonna probably have blueberry on it, but you don't want a bunch of doughy mixture on it. You can also check by pressing lightly on the top of your muffins, and if it bounces back, you know they're done. There you go! There's my healthy blueberry oatmeal muffins. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you might also like this healthier carrot cake that we did right over here. Go check it out. Also absolutely delicious. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and if you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can see when I post my next video. We'll see you guys next time.